Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting off our trail guide series with the local trail here in Southern California called Bedford Canyon. It's in the Corona Orange County Mountains, and stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll show you how to access this trail. Bedford Canyon is a local fire access trail that's open to the public. It's a relatively easy trail, only takes about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. It's a good day trip with access to some epic views, and it's the Riverside County access if you want to go to Santiago Peak. The trail is two-wheel drive friendly. Four-wheel drive is not required, but it doesn't hurt to have four-wheel drive if you're going to be doing some of the trails up at the top. Now this trail is susceptible to storm damage like anything else out here, so be careful after significant rainfall. BLM does do a good job of maintaining the road regularly because it is a fire access trail, but ruts and washouts can be a problem after rain. Now, because this is a narrow mountain trail, make sure you're familiar with trail etiquette before you go. There is a couple rules that you have to follow on when to yield. Like any group traveling uphill, they have the right-of-way. Larger groups always have the right-of-way, regardless if they're going uphill or downhill.
Uphill, so we have the
right-of-way. Okay, because I was like, I'm not going off the cliff for him.
And you always want to let any traffic that wants to go faster go. So if you're in front of somebody and you have somebody telling you that wants to go faster, just pull over to the side and let them go.
This kid is going way too fucking slow. He should just pull over and let everybody pass. Is that just me or is that kid going way too slow?
way too slow.
Tell Daddy the next pull out, pull over. And we'll take some pictures. Get away from this kid.
Also, make sure that you're ready to call out how many trucks are behind you if you're in a larger group. You want to make sure that each truck holds up the number of fingers of how many trucks are behind them, with the last member holding out a fist to signify I am the last one. And this is important to do because everybody on the trail should know trail etiquette to keep everybody safe. So whether it's another truck, bikers, or hikers, make sure you're following trail etiquette because as you'll see, you'll find most people don't know trail etiquette on these trails.
Careful, there's a bike. Copy. One more. One more. He's not really paying attention, so be careful. Copy that.
Now these trails aren't fast. You don't really want to be speeding through some of these because you are literally on the side of a cliff. Now here you see us closer to the top. There are a couple sections where you might be tempted to go fast, but trust me, you don't want to do it. I've almost actually flown off of one of these trails before.
That's where we almost flew off over there. Yeah. Right here is where we almost flew off. You see where we're at right now? This is where we almost flew off the cliff.
Great.
I think our tire mark is still here.
What are you talking about?
We almost flew off the hill right there because we were going too fast and we didn't have ABS.
Oh, nice. Dumbass.
These guys don't know trail etiquette, so just be careful.
So then I waved, I put up the fist that we were done and they waved at me.
They didn't know trail etiquette. That's what Dad said.
Two photographers in one Jeep.
Two photographers, one Jeep, rushing Dad. Rush Dad.
Rushing.
What can possibly go wrong?
Everything.
Don't go in the mud puddle, please.
What?
Once you get up to Main Divide Road, you have a couple options. You can go north and check out an abandoned cabin, Or you can go south like we did towards Santiago Peak. We ended up going south because we wanted to get some golden hour shots at this great little spot that we found a while back between two power line towers. This trail is accessible from I-15, and you want to take the Wyrick Road exit and head south on Kanab Road. The trail starts at the corner of Kanab Road and Bedford Motor Way. It's about a 6-mile climb to the top to Main Divide Road, which is Forest Route 3S04. Main Divide Road is probably the most well-known road out in these mountains. We will be doing Main Divide Road on a future video along with Silverado Canyon, but Bedford Canyon is the Riverside County access to Santiago Peak, and that's the main reason why you may want to take this road, is to go all the way up to Santiago Peak and check out the views up there. From the Orange County side, if you wanted to come up, you would want to take Silverado Canyon up, which again, we'll be doing a trail on that soon. And it's a good way, it's a good trail to set up so that you can start at Bedford Canyon and end in Silverado Canyon with Santiago Peak in the middle, or vice versa. Start at Silverado Canyon, go all the way up to Santiago Peak, and then come down Bedford Canyon. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. More trail videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, put any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.
What the hell is this?
This is Meatloaf, fucker.
Who the hell is Meatloaf?
A few moments later.
I can still recall the steam of
1 hour later.
We were racing, we were soldiers of fortune. We got in trouble, so we sure got around.
5 hours later.
I know I still believe, never let me leave.
6.5 hours later.
Oh my god, that's beautiful. I'm sliding.
3 days later. 1 week later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
How long is this song?
It's like 9 minutes.
That was an owl just chilling on the road right here in front of me.